Hello and welcome to part 3 of the Limo Anywhere setup. Today we're going to be going over the vehicle types section. Click on My Office, then click on Company Resources, and then go to Vehicle Types. What are vehicle types? Vehicle types are types of vehicles that you offer your clients, and not the individual vehicles themselves. For example, if I offer my clients a MKT, MKX, and S560, I might consider them as luxury vehicles. If I charge more for the S560, I might consider setting up two different types of sedans, such as luxury sedan and executive sedan. That way I would be able to set up different rates for my back office quoting system and online reservation booking tool. Let's go through examples on how to set up some vehicles and hourly rates. To set up the vehicle types a little quicker, we would edit the existing sedan town car option and relabel it to the luxury sedan. Next, we would need to set up the passenger count and luggage capacity, and also the dispatch color code for the vehicle type. This option allows us to associate this vehicle with different services because there might be some services that you will not want to offer your high-end vehicles on. For example, if I had an antique Phantom that I only want to use on weddings, I could select only the wedding service type here so that my clients wouldn't be able to book this car as an airport transfer online, and my reservationist won't be able to accidentally quote my client for this car unless they're scheduling a wedding with me. If this vehicle is handicap compatible, check this box here. Next, we can add a description about the vehicle type for our online booking tool. Once everything looks good, we can save our changes. Now that we saved our changes, did you notice the extra tabs that popped up at the top of this vehicle type section? The rate tab is where we can go set up our hourly, per passenger, per mile, or per kilometer rates. The rate matrix field is set to default. However, if there are service types that I offer this sedan on that need a different price than the one we're setting up now, we would be able to create a new rate matrix for that service and then go apply that rate matrix to that service type. I could also use a new matrix to set up special hourly pricing for different accounts. In order to keep this video short and sweet, we will skip setting up multiple matrices. However, if you need help with this, please call under our support for further assistance. I'll leave their information at the end of this video. Now let's set up some of our default pricing for all the services that we had selected as the default in our previous service type video. My hourly rate for the luxury sedan is $75 an hour, and I've got a 3-hour minimum. If I charge more for certain times of the day or for the weekends, I could use a peak rate section and peak rate schedule to achieve this. I could also set up a tiered pricing structure to give my clients a per hour discount when they book over a determined threshold, such as 1 to 5 hours is $75 an hour, and 6 to 10 hours I'll do $70 an hour. Let's not forget to save our changes. Lastly, the Images tab gives you a place to upload your photos of your vehicles so they'll be displayed on your online booking tool. I'll quickly set up a couple more vehicle types so you can see how they interact with the fleet section on our next video. In different parts of the Limo Anywhere system, you might come across a button that looks like this. This button will allow me to set up a new item on whatever section I'm currently setting up. For example, I just finished setting up the executive sedan, and now I want to set up an SUV. Thanks again for using our video tutorials to help you get started with your Limo Anywhere software. If you need further assistance with setting up this section, don't hesitate to call our 24/7 support line at 888-888-0302. Extension 2.